Come with us as we explore Ooty, visit some beautiful places, try some local food, and enjoy the scenic roads and tea estates along the way. It's going to be a fun day of exploring and discovering Ooty. In our previous video, you saw us deep inside the beautiful Parsons Valley, trekking through the forest, having way too much fun, completely tired, and most importantly, getting lucky enough to witness some of the incredible wildlife. Basically, that day had everything a trek could possibly give us. After all the adventure, we had decided it was time to come back, relax a little, and explore a completely different side of Ooty. And this is our home for the next few days. Look at this place. Our guest house was sitting right in front of this beautiful endless tea estate. And honestly, this is when Ooty actually started feeling like the Ooty we had imagined. You know these pictures of Ooty you always see? Beautiful little houses tucked between the tea gardens, rolling green hills, tiny roads disappearing into the greenery, and tea plantations stretching as far as you can see. This was literally our view every time we stepped outside. And the best part? We didn't even have to go looking for a viewpoint. We just had to walk out of our room. We wanted to explore some of the most beautiful places in Ooty and walk around the town. So let's go and check them out. So we are going to Ooty town and especially to Moody's Bakery, and we'll also roam in the Ooty main street. So let's see how the Ooty street is at night.
And what is this?
This is a farm. I think it is radish going, red radish.
After trek, we came back to our homestay and then we freshened up. We had snacks. Then we decided to go and roam around nearby places of Ooty. So we are going to the city center. So we heard about Moody's, so we are going there.
Finally, we managed to get an auto, and somehow all of us squeezed ourselves inside.
So guys, we are at famous Moody's cafe. Is very famous. We'll go inside and we'll check it out. What we can get and what we will have. Okay, come.
Quite busy.
So we are having one carrot cake, one fig dates cake,
And chai.
chai and coffee.
So we are having carrot cake, figs and dates cake, and chai.
Cheers! This is coffee, right?
हाँ जो भी है बहुत अच्छा है. So we had so many things in Moody's and we also bought so much Ooty Workies and also a hot chocolate. It is definitely really good shop here. You must definitely try it. We are now going to the Tibetan market, which is famous for its woolen clothing. We also want to buy some spices and eucalyptus oil. Today we are heading towards the Dodbeta Peak, one of the famous mountain peaks from where we can watch the entire Ooty town from the top. So we have come to Dodbeta Peak in Ooty. So we are going inside the market right now. We have a lot of Ooty magnets here. Let's see, कुछ ले रहे हो क्या?
हाँ हाँ, हम लेंगे मैग्नेट्स लेंगे और देखते हैं और कुछ मिलेगा तो ले लेंगे.
This is Pataka. तुम्हें दिशा क्या होगा?
जोर है.
20.
20 rupees.
Oh, let's do it.
Just ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Let's do it.
Let's try ಮಾಡಿ.
Whoa. Was it good?
He did it. Acid.
ये हमने ले लिया है और पढ़ेंगे वहाँ.
अब बस में पड़ेंगे बस.
अगर लेनर्ड होता है यहाँ पे तो शेल्डन होता ना. We are buying fridge magnet.
ऐसा ही.
नहीं उतना अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा. 2 लिए तुमने? दिखाओ कौन सा लिए.
ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನೋದು. I love to.
Take if you like take. So there is a telescope here. So people who want to get a closer view, they can see from the telescope, and we can see the entire view of Ooty from up here itself. So this is the view that we are able to see from top. You can see a lot of mountain ranges in the background and the entire Ooty city from here. Many people have come here as it's a touristy spot.
बोलो कैसा लग रहा है चाय पी के?
चाय पी रहे हैं ऊपर, बहुत मस्त है.
Seriously, मस्त है.
पूरा मिल्क टेस्ट है, मिल्क एंड शुगर. यहाँ पे अलग टाइप से बनाते हैं, डिकॉशन में मिल्क डाल देते हैं. ओके, इट्स गुड.
तो हम यहाँ एक चॉकलेट शॉप पे आ गए हैं. So we are thinking to buy some chocolates, so let's explore.
Tour.
क्या लग रहा है?
So we have taken Barki and also dark chocolate which has almond inside it. So we are at Paikara Lake right now. So let me show you the lake from here. How beautiful it is. People are doing boating and it is surrounded by forests and mountains.
So you have to wait approx 2 hours.
See, there are so many people standing in this queue. जल्दी जल्दी ड्रोन लेके आए, बट आगे यहाँ बोर्ड पे लिखा है कि ड्रोन नॉट अलाउड.
क्या करना चाह रहे हैं? फुल व्यूज लेना चाह रहे हैं यहाँ से पाइकारा लेक का. Beautiful guys, this is so beautiful. And look at this crowd.
सुना इधर बोटिंग.
There's so many people. You have to wait almost for 2 hours to get into that boat. So we are not doing that. We are just enjoying the view from here itself.
We are now heading to St. Monica's Lake, one of the most picturesque places in Ooty. It is right besides the road and it is so beautiful. If you are coming from this road, St. Monica's Lake should definitely be in your bucket list. So we had a nice time here. बहुत अच्छा location है. So if you are coming near Ooty, this is one of the pit stops you can take. One of the best parts of this trip was actually the route we took back, which passed through the Bandipur forest. We spotted so many elephants right next to the road, and the entire drive was incredibly scenic. And finally, we ended our trip with a visit to the beautiful sunflower fields in Gundalpet. After all the trekking, sightseeing, and food, this was the perfect way to wrap up our OT trip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.